Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the best and easiest way how to make oatmeal. I have banana, I have one apple, but I'm going to cut it half. I'm going to use half. This is oatmeal. I'm going to add it a pinch of salt. This is water, okay? This is milk. So what I'm going to do, I usually add water first. So I'm going to add water and I'm going to add milk. 1 cup of water, you can add 2 cups of milk or 1.5, 1 3/4, as you can see. So and I'm going to add the oatmeal. I'm going to slice the banana inside, small pieces like this. So the next thing is a pinch of salt, as you can see, very tiny. So if you like, you can add a little bit of sugar, just like this, small, for the taste. So now it will start cooking. As you can see, it will cook for sometimes 3 minutes. Immediately when it starts burning, then I have to stir it so that it doesn't get burned. I'm going to slice the apple in half. So I'm going to use only half. 1, 2. So now it has already started burning. So I have to make sure that I stir it a little bit so that it doesn't get burned. So I'm going to wait. When it starts cooking, I have to start turning it. I have to turn it so that it doesn't get burned. Now, I have to turn it a little bit, stir it a little bit, because now it already starts cooking a little bit, it's cooking gradually. If you can hear this, it's already started getting burnt now, so it is very important that you stir it properly, or else you will end up getting this. As you can see, this brownie dried. Yeah. So always stir it. If you can stir it, then you will not have any issue. This is one of the best food to eat if you want to lose weight. It's one of the best breakfasts to eat in the morning. If you are really tired, you don't want to cook anything in the evening, you can also make it in the evening. This is what I do sometimes when I'm not in the mood to cook. So it's cooking. Now it's getting thicker and thicker, as you can see. How is it going? Take a look. It's cooking well. As you can see, we don't have too much this brownish burnt oatmeal, as you can see. So it is very important that you stir it more often. Then we don't have this issue of burning. So I'm gonna test it. It's done already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour it here. See how beautiful it looks like. It looks so cool and nice. So perfect. So the next thing is coming. Just wait. That is my, if you have it you can add it, if you don't have it it doesn't matter, but it's one of those things you can use to have very nice So now we have blueberry. I'm going to add it blueberry. As you can see, to wash it. So, and that's it. You're ready to go. You can add it whatever you want to add. Like you can add it honey, you can add it anything you have at home. You can add it nuts. So it's your choice. It's really tastes good. If you find this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel, and more video is coming up. Thank you.